Welcome back to another episode of Show and Tell, your favorite stains, red wine, and let's add in some blue ink from a pen. Another tough stain is permanent marker. Really difficult to get out without the proper care. You could damage your carpet fibers permanently. Even worse than permanent marker is paint. Nail polish paint has a tendency of drying the tips of the fibers, making it almost impossible to clean. Here we're going to add our dry cleaning solution to saturate the spot of the red wine, and we're going to use a cotton towel to lightly scrub and blot out all that red wine. Look at that. I'm going to use the same method to remove the blue pen ink. Now let's try it on the permanent marker. Any guess on how it'll result? It's a messy job. Someone's got to do it. Sometimes you got to bring out custom tools for custom problems. In this case, this is my custom carpet scrubbing pad. Agitates it well, gets in the fibers, gets out that permanent marker. It's very nice, very nice. So far, so good. Let's try the paint. Nail polish paint. Wow, it's already hardened the tips of the carpet. Our solutions are pet friendly and causes no agitations whatsoever. Look at that. Comes out real quick. Going to agitate the carpet a little bit more and pass the vacuum on top of it. You could see the very tips of the paint was hardened, but the final result is excellent.